Hello, in front of me I've got Nissan Qashqai. In this video I'll show you how to enable and set up driver custom mode. In the beginning, let's go to instrument cluster and on the steering wheel press shortcut button. Now go to custom mode setup and here you can enable or disable plenty of settings. From emergency lane, speed limiter and driver attention alert up to rear brake assist. Set it up and then go back and press on button to enable this function. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.